Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for Spanish rice. Now, this recipe only takes a few simple ingredients and has just a little bit of kick to it. It tastes like it came just from your favorite Mexican restaurant. Okay, here are the few ingredients that you are going to need to get started. All right, here are my ingredients. I have some long grain white rice here, and I've got a little bit of salsa, some chicken broth. I've got oil here. You can use olive oil or avocado oil. I have some onion. I just had this left over. You could use red onion, white onion, yellow onion, whatever you have on hand. And then I've got some salt and a lime. Okay, so I'm going to add just 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil there. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. There we go. And now we'll just cook this on medium-high heat. And we want to brown or toast the rice just a little bit. There we go. Just gonna cook that here for a couple minutes. Okay, and then while that rice is coming up to heat, I'm just going to peel my onion here. And you want to dice this pretty finely. So this is probably about a half a cup of onion, maybe a little bit more. And that'll be just about right. All right, the rice has started to toast a little bit, so you kind of want to keep a close eye on this. And we're just going to saute it here for about 3 or 4 minutes. And you see the little bits of golden rice. Okay, so now it's really starting to toast, and this is just about right. So now we're going to add in our onions and just saute those until they are tender as well, while this continues to toast our rice. And this will probably take 2 or 3 more minutes. Okay, and to finish this off, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick stir. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of salsa. And just whatever your favorite kind of salsa is will work great. There we go. That's about 1 cup of salsa. And then to this, we're going to add 3 cups of broth. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm just going to mix this all in, and then I'm going to put a lid on it, and we're going to simmer this on low for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after it's had a chance to cook for about 20 minutes, you're going to leave the lid on for about 10 more minutes, just to be sure that all of the liquid has had a chance to absorb. And then you can use a fork and lightly fluff it. That's perfect. This Spanish rice recipe is quick, it's easy, and has so much flavor packed into every single bite. We love to serve it in homemade burritos and with tacos or quesadillas, and really any Mexican-inspired recipe. Thank you so much for watching this episode at the Carefree Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Spanish rice. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.